but I'm really struggling with this. It's crazy. Really bad wind. More stairs. More stairs. Why? We need a lift, an escalator. Whoa! That is windy. That was very windy. Good afternoon everyone, we are here in Edinburgh today. Today we are going to Arthur's Seat. We're currently in the city centre right now. Just have a little walk around. One thing I noticed when I came to Edinburgh last time was how tall the buildings are. It's like really tall. There's loads of chimneys, if you can see on top of the building there. Loads of chimneys. I mean, if you go inside the buildings you'll probably see all the old fireplaces as well. Just look at this, look at all the history here. Hundreds of years old. All the way down the street as well. Amazing. So Arthur's Seat is up there. I've come from down that way, so we're not far away now. Just going to try and find my way to the bottom of it so we can work our way up. Not far away. I say I'm not far away, but yeah, I am quite far away. That's not the top of it, by the way, either. It's quite cool with the sunrise. It's nice, that. Got a water feature down there. I'm going to start the stopwatch now. The time is 11:36. So let's start the stopwatch. We are here at the bottom. So let's go. Two hours later. Watch it be like 2 hours to get to the top. I've done it before, about a year ago, so I'm doing it again now. So it's a bit of a hike, this video. Now apologies for not being well in the last one. Couldn't really speak that well, but I'm recovering now. Wasn't well yesterday, but getting there, pushing myself to do this. I've had some cold and flu. It's that time of the year. Ooh, some crows making a racket. Yeah, that's where we're going up. We're going up the top of there. It's windy today, so yeah, the microphone might be a bit muffly, so if you're wearing headphones it might sound really loud. So sorry for that. I can't control the weather, I'm afraid. I wish I could. So I've got my walking shoes on, yeah, and waterproof trousers as well, but my coat isn't waterproof, it's just warm. It's like got wool inside. But yeah, and I've also got a bottle of strawberry water. Oh, my English slang's coming out. Right, anyway, let's go. Look at this. What a nice view that is. So we're getting the sunrise now. It's heading towards the afternoon. It's just gorgeous. Honestly, the camera does not do it justice. It's nice. There's Edinburgh over there. So as you're coming up around this corner and you look up there, there's Arthur's Seat there. So we're heading up to that. So we have to go down this path, round the path, and then up to the top of that. Definitely recommend you bring some nice walking shoes, not nice shoes, because it's very muddy around here and very rocky as well, as you'll see going further up. Lots of stone. I mean, look at this. The terrain's quite rough, so you need some really good shoes. Some comfortable walking boots perhaps. It's very windy. I need like a microphone that I can put onto my collar. Get better audio that way. Very windy. I think it's going to be windy on top. And it definitely gives your legs a workout as well. Look at this. So I can either go that way or go this way. I'm going to go this way because I think there's a building over here. Whew. Oh dear. Wow, look at that. Yeah. That's a little bit steep. I have to watch what I'm doing. Whoa, okay, okay. Being like Bear Grylls right now. Although he'd probably have a hotel in the middle of all this. Oh. There we go. There's a cave. Right. Okay. Wow. And we're already quite high up as well. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, yeah. Whoa. Wow, it's beautiful. There's a building over there which has been abandoned. We're going to head over to that. So windy. So this is St. Anthony's Chapel. You can read that if you'd like. Just have to pause the video. So it's an old ruined chapel. This is cool. Wow. Wow, it's quite a drop as well, and it's very windy, so you've got to be careful. Wow. And there's the sea, the ocean. There's a rainbow over there as well, if you can see it. That is nice. Random dog, hello. Oh, hello. Might be able to smell Jasper on me. Looks like we're ascending to heaven. Looks kind of cinematic, that's cool. Just hear me sniffling and the wind. Terrible audio from me. Right, just trying to navigate around all this stone and mud. Wow. Yeah. So this is like my first hiking video, and I think I need to go to the gym a bit more. Oh dear, this is very steep, with a big S, steep. Wow, I can see how you might not be able to see them properly, but in the distance there's little dots moving. They're small people. That's how far away they are. Little dots in the distance. Dear. There's loads of people doing this climb. It's kind of like a bit of an achievement as well when you come to Edinburgh to climb Arthur's Seat. A lot of people do it. You'll see loads of posts on Instagram about it. Hey. So you can either go up this rampway here, or you can take the stairs. Little step ups going up. Last time I took the stairs up and that was a bit of a killer. But just gonna rest for a second. You could potentially camp down there. This little bowl of the land. So we're getting there steadily, 1 foot at a time. It's very steep. Going down's easier. All those people up there, little sticks on the hill, little silhouettes. They've made it, so can we. Come on, let's go. See how fast the clouds are moving on top of the hill. Wow. Looks like rain's coming in down there. Very, very stormy. Quite atmospheric, and can feel it spitting now. You tried.
Thank you. Oh yeah, it's raining.
Somebody down here, so slippy. Makes it quite hazardous, especially with the wind as well. It's got a peace sign. Oh. Okay, almost there. Doing better than last time. I'm gonna do a lot of walking anyway, so my calves and my thighs are quite well exercised for walking, especially steep terrain. Wow. It's very windy. I mean, down there is probably a really good spot for camping as well. It's really windy, look at that. Very windy. Very windy, and I tell you what, I'm really warm as well because the coat is so well insulated. Could have probably done with just a raincoat, something light. More stairs. More stairs. Why? We need a lift, an escalator. Whoa! That is windy. That was very windy. Anyway, stairs. Let's go. Upstairs we go. Wowzers. Whew. More steps. I'll tell you what, I'm going this way. I don't know how you can run. How can you run up here? You're crazy. Very crazy. I'll tell you what, once you get to the top of this part here, we're not quite there yet because we've got that stretch up there to go. Once you get up here, look at that view. That is beautiful. You got Edinburgh city centre down there. That's where we're staying this weekend. It's a ferry over there and an island, if you can see it in the, just right there where my finger is. An island. The wind is hammering it down. We're gonna head up to the final part walk. Everyone's just like rested. There's people coming down. Rain's coming in. Very stormy. I hope the GoPro is going to be alright with this. I mean, it's supposed to be okay with this kind of weather. Oh dear. I don't know if this will do me any good. So you could go up that way, or you can go up this way here, where there's like fencing and chain to be able to help people walk up. The camera's getting loads of raindrops on top. Can you see? Can you see? I don't know. Hopefully. Right, we're heading up, lads. Let's go. Woo! I'm not even going to bother with the hood. There's no point, because it'll just fly off anyway. Oh, someone just lost a tissue. Yeah, it's very windy today, makes it very hazardous, but we're still going to push on to the top. That's what we're here to do today, get to the top of that Arthur's seat. I can't even speak. Arthur's seat we're going to. Whoa. You kind of just got to like plant your feet when you're walking up these steps. Almost there, guys, almost there. And it's quite an achievement, because look at that. Look how high up we are.
That's a great view. But they're talking about moving or
Yeah.
Almost there, guys. Almost there. And I keep saying almost there. and you guys are covered in rain. There we go. Can you see now? I think you can. Yeah, look at that view. The rain's coming through. It's getting worse. Wow. Do we head up that way? Or do we go up the steep bit in the middle? Let's go to the right. See if it's easy to work our way around the side rather than going straight through. Wind almost knocked me down then. It's very windy. People are struggling. Hard to sit down. The wind's really quite intense up here. Whoa. People are really struggling with this. It's crazy. Really bad wind. Right, we're gonna keep going. Oh, let's go up this way. A little bit of a miniature valley. Oh, it's very slippy actually. Just grab on to the rocks. Oh shit. Pardon my French. Whew. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, let's go this way. Oh shit. Guy just fell over. Very windy, very slippy. Need very good shoes. Very good shoes for this. So we're gonna head over here. Wow! The wind is very, very strong. Tell you what, I'm gonna head, just to stay safe, I'm gonna head over here. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. This is very windy. I know you can't tell on the camera very much, but that is very windy. Some apples and bananas. Oh guys, we made it. Come on, we're going. Windy. It's so windy, guys. Okay, so let's have a look at the time, see how long it took us. 37 minutes it takes to get to the top of Arthur's Seat. Just getting battered by the wind behind me. Oh dear. Well, if you need your hair doing for free, just come up here. It's freestyling. You made it. Almost there.
beautiful.
Oh, look at this view, guys.
Sunshine.
That's amazing. Whoa. Wow.
Oh.
That is amazing, guys.
Flatbread now.
That's incredible. What's like flatbread?
Oh, sorry.
Flatbread.
My hat is looking like flatbread now.
Ah, this is incredible. Yeah, don't fly away. Wow, what a beautiful view, guys. That's incredible.
This is what I call a selfie.
Very dramatic selfie.
I can literally see the reflections in the water distance.
Oh yeah, yeah, I can.
River.
So that is the top of Arthur's Seat. We've made it to the top. Met a cool guy, Srini.
Hi
Hello.
there. Hello.
Just been chatting away. What do you do? Film and photography?
I do street photography, filmmaking, trying to get into filmmaking. Well, you can say wannabe filmmaker.
Yeah, yeah.
Based in Dublin. So yeah, if anybody's in Dublin, want photos, videos, yeah, just hit me up.
I'll put his
Next.
YouTube link down below as well,
Yeah,
so you can see
that'd be
it.
great, yeah.
Yeah, that's the first person I've linked in a video before. So really sound guy. I'm going to say goodbye now because it's very windy up top here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.